Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Simple Visa Hub. Today in this video, we are going to review the last round of draws from various provincial nominee programs. On December 14th, Manitoba invited 283 candidates through the MPNP program. These candidates were from the skilled workers in Manitoba, skilled worker overseas, and the international education streams. Moving on to Saskatchewan's SINP draw, what we noticed this year that they held less draws as compared to last year's, with more people actually being interested in SINP. The last draw they held on October 23rd, they invited 99 candidates from different occupation in demands and express entry streams. Hopefully, they will hold more frequent draws next year and invite more candidates. Moving on to Alberta, as you can see, Alberta's AINP program invited 19 candidates on December 5th. These candidates were in the express entry stream and had a CRS cutoff score of at least 301. Moving on to the last two and the biggest provinces in Canada, Ontario's OINP invited a significant number of candidates on their last draw held on December 14th. Ontario invited 2,359 candidates in this round, with the focus being on human capital priority stream. They specifically invited those with experience in 6 technical occupations. Last but not the least, Quebec's ARRIMA system issued invitations to 1,000 candidates on December 7th. These candidates either had a valid job offer in Quebec or they met other specific criteria set out by the province. And that wraps up our Provincial Nominee Program update. If you are aiming to immigrate to Canada, these programs can be your golden ticket, so keep a close eye on all of these programs in 2024. Until then, we wish you a very happy holidays and a happy new year. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more immigration news and tips. See you in our next video.